Hello, Chef here once again, getting ready to use this awesome titanium knife. This knife's been used already for like 10 years. It's been a pretty good little knife. I do notice it's getting a little bit of scratches, a couple abrasions, and the edge is starting to lose its sharpness. So I've got the clip. The clip is all you need. The clip goes right over the knife like this, doesn't scratch it. The clip gives you the perfect angle. Gives you the perfect angle for sharpening. So here we go, just like this. And you repeat. Makes sense, right? The clip provides a perfect V for the bottom of the knife. Works on virtually any knife. That's what you need right there, besides a good quality honing stone. This is made in Japan 3000, and I'm going to be switching after that to an 8000. You can see that these babies are kind of dirty, so we're going to be using the little cleaning stone to give them a quick cleaning. And well, it's pretty easy. Just follow along. Okay, so the stone gets put in the base. I made the base to fit my sink. You can make one too, not that hard to make. Make it so that your stone sits right in there, okay? Little splash of water, get the water going on here, and this is the cleaning stone. This little baby here's got all the good stuff on it. So you just rub your stone back and forth like this, and flatten it out, clean it off, okay, until it looks new again. Okay, there we go. That baby's clean and it's ready to go. A little more water, that's all I need, I'm ready to go. No messing around, no soaking it, no massaging it, no playing with it, no magic rubbing, hocus pocus. A little water, it's clean, I'm ready to go. Guide clip on the knife, and we use the guide clip mainly for the angle, and we're going from the heel to the tip. And repeat the opposite side. Okay, I'm all done. Done with this stone. I'm going to keep the clip on there. I'm going to switch stones. Leave that one down there. I'm going to clean it. This stone here is my 8000. This stone doesn't quite fit in the jig. So what do? You cut a piece of scrap wood and you add the wood. Now it fits really, really nice. Once again, the cleaning stone. I'm all done. I give a little rinse. Once again, no hocus pocus, no massaging, no soaking, no manipulating, no magic to the stone. It's just wet. The knife goes back on, clip is in place, from the heel to the tip. And repeat, other side. I'm going to do it once more. Aha! I'm all done. Clip comes off. Rinse off these stones. Let them dry. Wow. It's that easy. Now you're wondering if this is sharp, aren't you? Well, so am I. Let me grab a piece of paper. Be right back. I'm going to show you just how sharp that knife is. Okay, what do we got here? Some newspaper. The soft stuff. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. 10 and a half. There's approximately 20 layers of paper here. Okay? Let's see if this knife is sharp. The camera's still running. No hocus pocus over here. Oh, yeah. It's pretty good. So you can see That knife's pretty sharp. One more little test I like to do is kind of a S. Yep. You can do a S on paper with your knife. It's sharp. I could probably shave my legs or my back or one of the ladies. Yeah. Or at least cut an apple really thin. Smash some garlic, julienne onion. Maybe work on some salad and some steaks. This knife's good to go. One of the things I like about this knife, by the way, is the fact it's titanium. It's non-reactive. It doesn't stick to anything. It glides through food, and I like that. So check it out. Score it at your sponsor right there, as well as the clips. The guide clips, they're only like 10 bucks. You get a set of them. Sharpening stones, titanium knives, cutting boards, butcher blocks, you name it. They got it all in stock at your sponsor. And make sure to click that little like button. Helps people find the videos, shows us that you like the videos, and we can keep them going. All right, with that, I'm going to leave you. Get cooking. Have a beautiful day. Once again, I find myself ready to oil this beautiful hard maple cutting board. You can see it's getting a little dry and it's looking for some oil. I spilled a little oil here already. You can see the difference. This is good to go. And this is all done, and this one here is very dry. So it's very simple. You just take this wonderful product here, the mystery oil, and you can use the board cream as well. Open up the seal, sprinkle a little bit out on here, and I'm using a recycled bread bag, and rub it around in a swirl motion. Do this in the evening or late in the day when everyone's done utilizing this cutting board. And this oil is going to get sucked right up, penetrate, and it will be dry in the morning. Ready for another day of cooking pleasure. And again, thanks for watching. Please support your sponsor. And this is it. I'm actually all done. It's as simple as that. This small piece of recycled bread bag goes right back into the recycle bin. Just like this. I got a bag here with, all the usual toys. Some honey and some bottles, wine bottles, things like that. Throw it right in there, goes out in the recycle, you're done. So again, your sponsor, chefdebo.com. They stock all the high quality tools of the trade, boost blocks, knives, pots, pans, cookie sheets and scoops, cutting boards, you name it. This is the same cutting board 24 hours later. You can see how it's penetrated and the oil has been absorbed into the wood. This treatment keeps the board nicer looking, smoother finish, more water resistant, food resistant, and it just has a nice feel. Basically renews the cutting board and makes it like new again. That's your sponsor right there. Thanks for watching. Have a beautiful day.